What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. Luna is still in the news, Bitcoin is still in the news. Will Bitcoin continue dumping? Only time will tell. At the point of recording this video, one Bitcoin is still going for 29,000 US dollars. This is the first time we have had 7 consecutive red candles on Bitcoin. We'll be looking at that. And guys, what happened to Luna's Bitcoin reserve? People have been talking about it. Finally, Luna Foundation Guard came out and they gave us a breakdown on what happened to their $3 billion Bitcoin. We'll be talking about what happened to that. FTX CEO is talking bad about Bitcoin. He's getting a lot of backlash about it on Twitter. The market is still in turmoil. We'll be looking at the Bitcoin price chart. We'll take a look at the total crypto market cap. And guys, people have been talking about what happened to Luna. Is this going to be the end for the bull run? Is the bull run over because of this? Because a lot of people got wrecked in this Luna trade. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate you guys. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So guys, in the last 1 month, the crypto market has been red. We've had so much dump. The market is still dumping right now. Is it the bottom in? Only time will tell. But you can see that in the last 24 hours, we have some relief rally here and there. We have some coins up 18%. Some coins are up 14%. But UST, this is supposed to be a stable coin, is down 32%. It keeps dumping. It's probably going to go to zero at this point in time. It's currently going for $0.115 and it's supposed to be going for $1. Luna is still 100% down in the last year, 100% down in the last month, 100% down in the last week. But some degenerates are still trading Luna. They feel they are going to catch the bottom. Guys, this is not a trade you want to be in. Now let's go to the Bitcoin price chart. I outlined this region for us from $24,000 to $19,000. Is that where Bitcoin will find its bottom? Only time will tell right now. We came and we tagged 25,400. I don't still think that's the bottom. I still think we're going to dump further because this candle, this capitulation candle was so fast. I don't think that this is the bottom. I still believe we'll dump further. A lot of people are shouting the bottom is in, we're going to the moon. Guys, I believe Bitcoin and Ethereum and the total crypto market has been in distribution since 1st of January 2021. This is over a year of distribution, and what qualifies as distribution is when price cannot break out of a range. And you can see we have that over here. Price did not go. It only broke out of this range all-time high here. This was probably shorts getting liquidated. We set new all-time high at 69k, and you can see here we just broke out of that range. And breaking out of this range means the market is probably entering the next phase of a market cycle, and that's the markdown phase. That's where the market will start dumping. Now, should we buy more coins right now? If you're accumulating for the long haul, you have to be DCA into these coins. That's the dollar cost averaging into them. But if you're a trader or you're an investor that wants quick return, guys, this market is something you want to really avoid right now. I might be wrong. The market can continue pumping, but let's see what the news is telling us. First 7-week losing streak in history. 5 things you need to know about Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin has been setting records, but not the good type of record. Guys, this is the first time we have had 7 consecutive red candles. Will we make it 8? Only time will tell. Guys, the dollar is rising still at this point in time, and the dollar is rising. That's actually bad for Bitcoin and the crypto market. Right now, the dollar is still rising and the euro is falling. Do you think the market will rally after the dollar crash? Only time will tell. But right now, guys, a lot of people are expecting the dollar to set a new all-time high. I don't know why the dollar is getting strong. Inflation is happening around the world, but the dollar is not getting as inflated as other cryptocurrencies. The dollar is not getting inflated as other currencies right now. Tether finally went back to being pegged to $1 to 1 USD Tether. I hope that will not bring the whole crypto market just like Terra Luna. And guys, Sam has been getting a lot of flack on Twitter. He says he sees no future in Bitcoin payments. Community fires back. Jack has been coming back at him. People have been shouting that why will you say that? The crypto market is still young. We're trying to figure this thing out, and now you're putting a lot of sand in our food right now. Because right now, him saying Bitcoin doesn't see Bitcoin as a future of payment. He's kind of right if you look at that. Bitcoin cannot actually process millions and millions of transactions per second. We have other chains for that, but you know the way crypto is, we don't want to hear anything bad about Bitcoin, because anything bad about Bitcoin is technically something bad about the whole crypto market. Guys, the curious case of Luna. Luna showed us that a coin can literally go from any point to zero. This is the Luna price chart on the weekly, and you can see that in the last 3 weeks, it has been very, very tragic for Luna holders. Some 3 weeks ago, they were holding their Luna at around $86 per Luna. Right now, Luna fell over 100%. You can get it on the cheap. Most exchanges are still trading Luna. Even after they delisted it, they realized that a lot of people still want to trade this coin. I mean, if people want to trade it, You give them what you want to trade. The customer is always right. Now, the question that people have been asking after the Luna fallout is what happened to Luna's Bitcoin reserve. So Luna came out and bought over $3 billion worth of Bitcoin. They said they want to be among the top holders of Bitcoin in the world. And then Luna crashed and their stablecoin actually crashed. And we had news that they sold their Bitcoin to depeg it. People are asking, how many Bitcoin did you sell? How many Bitcoin is left? After the audit, just 313 Bitcoin is left in the Luna Foundation. You can see that before the whole crash started on the 7th of May, Luna had over 80,000 Bitcoins. They have 39,000 BNB. They had 26,000 USDT. They had 26,000 USDC. They had some AVAX. They had some UST. And they had some Luna. Now, after the market crashed, they had to sell a lot of them. And after the market crash, what they have left is just 313 Bitcoin. They didn't sell any BNB, which is very, very strange. They didn't sell any AVAX, which is another strange decision. They have over $1 billion worth of UST. But remember, guys, UST has lost its peg against the dollar. One UST is going for $0.115. So they are basically in the trenches right now. Obviously, they won't sell their own token. They didn't sell their own Luna. And guys, do you think Luna is going to make a comeback? The coin has been pumping on the news that they might make a comeback, yada, yada, yada. And this guy actually just made a summary of everything. He said, in summary, Luna Foundation Guard has lost. In summary, Luna Foundation Guard has gone from having $3.1 billion in their reserve a week ago to now having roughly $87 million, which means they spent over $3 billion defending the UST peg and the UST still collapsed. Is this going to be the end of this whole bull cycle? Because guys, the damage that Luna has done to the whole crypto market, we have not still uncovered the extent of that damage. A lot of these funds are actually invested in Luna. We have seen Binance coming out to dissociate themselves from Luna, saying they didn't invest, they invested. They're giving us some mixed signals. And guys, somebody actually tackled Caesars on Twitter and has been spilling the beans. Now, Caesars said that Luna received 15 million Luna at the top and it was worth $1.6 billion. And now it's only worth only $3,000. And that $1.6 billion that they got at the top, they only invested $3 million in Luna and they got a 560x return on their investment. You might be wondering, then why didn't they sell the top? Guys, I don't know why they didn't sell the top, but right now the truth is coming out. The news is coming out step by step. Now, CZ Binance have been saying a lot of things on Twitter. He has been giving us updates of how everything played out. He was one that gave us the news that they had over 15 million Luna at the top, which was worth 1.6 billion. And right now, everything is just worth only $3,000. He actually put the address where the Luna is stored, and he actually showed that nobody has touched anything. But he went further and told us that they have $12 million worth of UST that they got from staking. They have not touched it, and they still have some UST they got from fees. Hashtag protect the users. But somebody said something. There's something fishy about this. He's coming to give us information. Why is he giving us information? Will this be the end of? Because this whole Luna situation is actually crazy, guys. If you think about it, Luna went from being a $40 billion market cap project to being valued less than 100 million. $39 billion whoop in the air. And the great financial crisis of 2008, we didn't have up to this amount of dump before the whole global system came down. So will this be the end of crypto? Will this be the end of this bull cycle? I don't think this can be the end of crypto. Crypto is here to stay for the long haul. Guys, what is left of Luna's BTC? Some people have been making some insinuation that Luna didn't actually sell all the BTCs. They gave money makers, blah, blah, blah. Luna didn't sell the BTC. And then a table was made for all what Luna still have. The whole reserve they have right now, after the total collapse of Luna and everything, they still have $383 million in their reserve. What will they use it to do? Many people are suggesting the money should be distributed to the people that lost their life savings to Luna, and that's the top. That's the lowest 99%, because the lowest 99% lost the most amount of money. All these whales, all these VC firms, they will not really feel the pain. They will feel the pain, don't get me wrong, but they will not really feel the impact like those people that lost their life savings. And people are advocating that all this money should be given to people that lost their life savings. I actually support that. And guys, still on the Luna situation, UK Treasury say they're going to legalize stable coins because of what happened to Luna. Now, this Luna stuff, I've been saying it, is going to bring regulations to crypto. Now, crypto is an unregulated market. You can start your own project today. People are buying it. You pump to the moon. Right now, after the collapse of Luna, you're going to hearing the US saying they're going to be regulating crypto. UK is already saying they want to be regulating crypto. That's minus all the countries that are already saying they want to be taxing crypto gains. Whether you make losses or not, they want to be taxing you on it. Only time we tell, guys. Do you think this is positive for the crypto market, that we're going to get regulations, so we'll know that any project you're getting into, there's somebody to hold? Because this Luna situation could have been avoided but some people made some wrong decisions, and here we are. The total crypto market, guys, is still in free fall. We are still at $1.26 trillion. We dropped as low as $1 trillion. I still think we might still go back to this $800 billion region. Maybe I'm just becoming bearish at the wrong time, or maybe I'm bear right now. Maybe I'm just becoming bearish at the wrong time. But guys, I still think we still need some further down. We won't go down in a straight line, but Luna showed us we can go down in a straight line. We still have some relief rally that the market might still pump like this. We might go up a little, get people excited. People are buying the dip right now. We might go up like this before we finally come down. Only time we tell what will happen, and we can just actually magically just V bottom out of here and go into new all-time highs. Nobody can predict time, but what is telling me right now, guys, I think capitulation is next. People will soon start blaming market makers and everything, and a lot of coins are getting unlocked in 2022. A lot of these VCs that invested at this point in time that couldn't sell all their coins here, they are still in profit. They are still in huge profit right here. I think they'll be letting go of a lot of their crypto. Even the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you take out Bitcoin and Ethereum from total crypto market cap, you can see that we are still up from the bottom. We're still up 2,000%. That's a lot of percentage to be up from the bottom. 2,000%. That means if you bought the bottom of the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're still supposed to be up over 2,000%. Do you think we'll continue pumping? Only time will tell, guys. Guys, the crypto market is still mixed review. People are still buying the dip. People are expecting the pump. People are hoping for a reversal. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think this is the end of Luna? Will Luna revive? Do you think that the money that Luna still have should be shared to the people that lost their life savings there? Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. If you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2.